Welcome, K-beauty enthusiasts. Get ready to embark on an amazing journey with OoshTush, your one-stop shop destination for Korean skincare and nail products. Oh yes, we're seasoned tech veterans passionate about using technology to enhance your beauty experience. With OoshTush, you get nothing but the best. We partner with major brands and their resellers to bring you the most trending and popular products. Our ultimate mission is simple: personalized beauty for everyone, no exceptions. We mean everyone, from daughters and mothers to sons and fathers, even grandfathers too. We are here to revolutionize Korean skincare and nail products and make them affordable for all. Let's redefine beauty together. Need your beauty fix? Rest assured we've got you covered. All orders are processed within 1 to 2 business days. Your goodies are fulfilled from the heart of beauty, South Korea. And guess what? Shipping is a breeze. Enjoy free standard shipping on orders over $40 and free express shipping on orders from $60 to $100. Your beauty treasures are on their way to you. So are you ready for a beauty adventure? Let's dive into the world of OoshTush, where beauty dreams come true. Check out OoshTush.com.